Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your BMO Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in bmo.com and then click on enter. Now here you can select which BMO account you want to log in, either it's BMO Canada or BMO US. You can also select the language in BMO Canada. After that, you will be directed to official homepage of BMO Bank. Now at the top right corner, you will find sign in button. Click on it and then select which account you want to get logged in. Now you can type in your user ID and password here. You can toggle this button to save your user ID and password in this website. Now click on sign in button to log into your BMO Bank account. You can also click on this link if you do not have BMO digital banking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.